breaking news reaction. ITBP Director General Sanjay Arora has asserted that the force's preparation on line of actual control is fantastic and it is prepared for any eventuality. He says that, in fact, he is the one who took charge of the ITBP in August and also said that the force is engaged in all kinds of necessary developments like infrastructure and is ready to deal with upcoming winter challenges, which as per reports will stay for longer compared to previous years. So yes, there you have the ITBP reaction coming in on how our forces are prepared for any eventuality at the line of actual control. Listen in to this reaction coming in from the ITBP Director General Sanjay Arora.
हर फील्ड में, चाहे वो स्पोर्ट्स फील्ड हो, चाहे ऑपरेशनल फील्ड हो, चाहे ट्रेनिंग फील्ड हो, किसी भी फील्ड में, हर फील्ड में अच्छी तैयारी और अच्छी ट्रेनिंग के साथ हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं। LAC पे भी हम लोगों की तैयारी बहुत अच्छी है और किसी भी इवेंचुअलिटी के लिए हम लोग हर फील्ड में, चाहे वो स्पोर्ट्स फील्ड हो, चाहे ऑपरेशनल फील्ड हो, चाहे ट्रेनिंग फील्ड हो, किसी भी फील्ड में, हर फील्ड में अच्छी तैयारी और अच्छी ट्रेनिंग के साथ हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं। LAC पे भी हम लोगों की तैयारी बहुत अच्छी है और किसी भी इवेंचुअलिटी के लिए हम लोग तैयार हैं।
Let me now go across to Shivani, who's joining us with more details as she's been tracking the situation very closely. Shivani, what do you make of this reaction coming in from the ITBP Director General Sanjay Arora, who's of course talking about once again how the ITBP personnel are extremely well prepared for any kind of an eventuality along the LAC, I beg your pardon. And remember, this is because we've already seen how the armed forces are trying their level best to make sure that the disengagement talks are followed in letter and in spirit. But yes, an ITBP reaction also coming in as well.
See, Christine, we know that the ITBP, that stands for the Indo-Tibetan Border Police, are the frontliners, in fact, on the borders, the eastern borders, and they are the ones who are guarding the line of actual control on the frontmost post. So when the DG says that we are prepared for any kind of eventuality, that is a strong and firm message to China, because we know that the condition along the line of actual control is quite sensitive since last 18 months. And these ITBP personnel are training hard on the toughest terrains, on the highest mountains that are snow-clad already. We've seen one winters have been already, they were protecting the borders, and another winter is coming. But the combat capabilities, the non-weapon drills, they are going on at fast pace, because we know that on those borders, there are several skirmishes where we have to push back the army, the PLA, and for that there are points when the ITBP are the strongest and the front runners of these borders. So when the DG says he is prepared for any kind of eventuality, that means ITBP has been training hard to protect the sovereignty of Indian borders along the eastern front. And we've seen how not only in Arunachal Pradesh, in Ladakh, and all those borders of the northeast have been guarded well by the ITBP Jawans there in the most toughest terrains and heights of around 17,000, 18,000 feet. So a strong message indeed for China that ITBP is ready for any eventuality.
Oh yes, a strong message indeed, and also talking about how our forces are fully prepared to deal with the challenges this coming winter season. Let's listen to into that reaction once again.
हर फील्ड में, चाहे वो स्पोर्ट्स फील्ड हो, चाहे ऑपरेशनल फील्ड हो, चाहे ट्रेनिंग फील्ड हो, किसी भी फील्ड में, हर फील्ड में अच्छी तैयारी और अच्छी ट्रेनिंग के साथ हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं। LAC पे भी हम लोगों की तैयारी बहुत अच्छी है और किसी भी इवेंचुअलिटी के लिए हम लोग तैयार हैं।